One kasa o confirm to me. Hopeson utie me a. One kasa Hopeson ya obi adoye o confess it to me. Dia won say well Broni ye. So person me san betna ha.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded.
Ebio. So Hopeson adoye etie anasa ani robot for na wasoma omo no. So mu tie a. Omo san kan kire Hopeson adoye say. Me Felix apia meti hei. Se nyankopon bi wo wiase. Sampa se nyame bi na bo yen a. Wo nyankopon ni mitirim fei no no Hopeson no so ni misa ne na nante bone da. Hopeson intie say even when all odds turned against me, I still stood by Hopeson Adoye. And you know, I'm not the regular blogger, whatever. This is Felix Apia speaking. Hopeson Adoye, this is Felix Apia speaking. 3. You know, I, Felix Apia, don't sit down to lie about nothing. I, Felix Apia, don't lie for anything. I don't have the time to lie. And so far, the God I serve has not shamed me. Hopeson, let me write this thing clear out to you. Tie. MPP party no. Hopeson, Obia and the Woka one CD. Tie ba. Whether Ekufuado, whether Baumia, whether whoever. Hopeson Adoye, nobody owes you $1. It is a political party, an organization. And now we will call that June. One can say, who say, sa political party nation share intimate mobile boom, and I will be joining. So far, me read the MPP, ye constitution, ye the party no. Hopeson, which I believe you know more than me. Me pese we a video na oba try and stanza e ka try say me na maye adwuma wo party no mu ma sacrifice enu ntimo fa bibia ama me anase medwiri bibia agu na party na say wo ma we rich. Hopeson Adoye need to get this straight. Hopeson enya party na be ma wa ye sikani eye dia wo Hopeson say star party ne ba power opposition abetumi position wo hu ye na the opportunity be to wa what to me afa bi dia ye adwuma ma na ma wa be your defo and e ma wo de your defo one say ekoye hand to mouth nintino after everything our Ghana ni na you are still crying for money utie one say whole motive is to na me ni we nkoye kakra na menje kakra without using it to build your own self because you had a shipping company running. What happened to it? You had other small businesses. Hopeson, how did you come by these businesses? Through the same NPP. And they don't owe you a cedi. So number 1, stop being bitter. Many work same way severally say. The fact that you don't like somebody does not mean that somebody will not like them. The fact that you, Hopeson, don't like somebody does not mean say that person is not liked by anyone. It is not true. And in a political party, you don't always get your way, Hopeson. You don't. You are an adult. We are nipa when you say you cannot have your way. Say maybe the amepeno. Say me na mabot you the ama party. Me na makumkum nipa ama party. Entino say me kasa party memo a party mem. It is not so. Yet ha et kromu ha yenka bi nhyimu ana mobile kromu ha be program mobile program ne wankasa o ka Africa jo ne ama wo ye ya wankasa wo confirm it to me utie wankasa o confirm it to me Hopeson utie me a wankasa Hopeson ya obi adoye o confess it to me dia woni se wa Broni ye so o pese me san betena ha eka ni na bio na obi ehu de esiye na omu hu se eye wo u greediness wo Hopeson adoye wo greediness e be din ekopie ba bi epie ye no. There is a lot, but for years I have kept quiet. You offer the president, a certain president, for such a lady. Ntinan Kenya na na do adwene na ye strong. Nan Kenya na na santi be die tuo no mu a na omo nam ho a na omo na na phone kuro omo. Nti na ho pen asem na dia Hopeson no be hia ko a. Mama me nka no kura ba akonkire mo. I'm tired of this nonsense going on. Now show me when she, the girl, and him decided to extort the president, when they decided to come and do all those things, say, oh, yeah, they say, she's gonna say, Ekufuado na use state apparatus, intimidating, Ekufuado na use state apparatus, oh, Jesus Christ, my God. Sometimes, there was a phone, Sasem we make a chere Ekuya Serwaa wentie. Na Ekuya Serwaa adwene ye ne say on Mr. President na kasa mo kai sa text message you send here say Mr. President emano 1 million on fan koto dan anya sa obeba bontia beka say president no use state security e dey intimidate no mo kai ono ane ka ono ane videos no ye ni bisa mo kai a Hopeson na so the sa a text messages ni bi so by into ono na dwene no on the president na edi nkomo nso no nim sasanti be di etu no ena na ekura mu a omo hu say girl no has nothing on the president. Sika greediness in Hopeson, you were ready after the ayedema wini nara. So what say wo ukuro mu abosum bi wo ho na se tumi bi wo sa abosum mu a nke se wo no mu di nkan kum Hopeson utie men no one kasa say that and ade am ye se me ka kire obi a wotie me se me ka kire se makoma krare ho ya na meboa because the way I elevated this man in my life, I didn't think he would get to this level, all because of power and money. You are hurt, you didn't get the money you people could have shared. Into all of a sudden, as until the year 2017, Antony Dean Hopeson, 18, Antony Dean, 19, Antony Dean. One complained that. In the affair, everyone is saying, everyone is saying, I have kept quiet for a reason. It's because of the respect I have for you and Mamaga. But I've come to notice, say, you two don't even want respect in life. Because you think, say, life is all about gathering properties, who was Chanel bags 100, who was shirt to Papa Bear 1,000. You think that is life. Life goes beyond that. My senior brother, let me talk to you today. It is because of your greediness. And the same class, never told government way. Sika ojiye sika ojiye oh we dey munja bibia we dey metumi akele bibia bekoda emu dia na wo Hopeson utumi frame me say Felix wo 11,500 Canadian na wo dey ko twe manso wo court for 2 years no emu 500 ni utumi ma me bibi sakrada. But I wasn't following you because of money, and you know that. I have posted you on my pages. For some of you that don't know, in command, I have posted you, Hopeson, when other people were attacking you. Me free Ghana buy every good thing you did for me, I shared with the people. Say, you might have your one or twos, but we nipa. I said that about you. And I've always defended you. Hopeson wunti, me and Kasa for 4 bloggers turned against me. So who knew I make catch you? Because of you. They turned against me because almost say, Wako can kwasi asem. Do what them do what them bintino. They turned against me. I bubbled the team. Yeah, but I had to hold the team for